Bonjour, ce matin doux et léger, le jour s'éveille sans se presser. Un rayon danse sur le chemin et murmure: bonjourdhui ira bien. Respire l'air, écoute le ciel. Chaque instant porte une étincelle. Souris au monde, il te répond.
Hi everybody, we thought we'd give you sort of an update of what's been happening for the last 10 days at our little so-called little retreat. It's been hard work. Me and Juliet have been working extremely hard and trying to get things straight. So we thought you a quick rundown on what we've done. So we've put in a homemade Fossi tank system. It's got a pump there, aeration goes into there, and it works its way through all the systems until it goes outside. I didn't want to explain too much because we did that in an earlier video, but that alone took 4 days to plumb it all in from the house to here. So that took some work on its own just to get that done. So we'll just give you a quick run through how we got it through to here. So Juliet, like to follow me through.
Yeah.
Sure it's enough.
Is that safe?
It's safe. Yeah. No monsters in the cellar.
I'm not sure.
So we've come from the house into the cellar with the waste, and it's come from that corner there, and it's dropped down. Originally, I wanted to put it through a hole here that I dug through, but the fall wasn't enough, so I had to come below the beam, and then it goes off.
It's not cold here.
Well,
strange.
It's chilly in there.
Ah, okay.
And it goes off down in there all the way through to the Fossi tank. That's all we really done in here. Playing up that bit.
So Simon tied up a little bit here.
Yeah, not much, but what we've done, we found bits and pieces around all the barn and the
Hello,
buildings.
Romeo.
Hello,
He was
boy.
running around.
We put all the tiles into one place. They were spread over at 4 locations, now they're into one area, so it helps us later on. Sort of put the pile of the wood up, just a little bit of tidying up. Still looks messy in here, but I get a feeling this is going to be the dumping ground.
Yeah, because what you can do.
Yeah, exactly. With
So
all the
many
all the goodies.
items left, and what we can do.
Yeah, it's been hard graft for the pair of us.
And Romeo.
And Romeo, he's been keeping an eye on us. Out here we stream the grass. Juliet's been cutting as much as the ivy and the creepy crawlies up the walls as we possibly can. There's a lot here. So she's been plummeting on that for days, bless her. It's hard going. Stuck into the walls. There's a little hole in the ground here which I started to dig out. Really just to see what's below the ground for the Fossi tank to work for a soakaway. Hence found large rocks underneath. So it's going to be hard going, but it needs to be done. So the next visit will be dig this out and get this put in.
But you're lucky you find this.
Yeah, we found a pipe. Don't know what it's for yet, so I've got to trace it to where it goes and where it comes from.
Romeo, can you trace?
Yeah.
Maybe it's from here? No, it
Go
can't
on
be.
angle. Yeah, so
Can't
that's
be.
it. So, again, Julieta more than me. Fucking all the
And then you cut other
the
side
ivy.
of
Yeah,
wall.
on the other side of this wall is about a 10-metre drop.
We need to go up then.
Yeah, there's all the ivy here cut.
Oh yeah, it's a very hard job. Normally put salt on top. Don't know if it's gonna help. Somebody is saying it's helping.
Yeah, so we're going to go away now. We're heading back to the UK, but there was ivy all the way down this wall here, all the way along. So we've managed to chop some of the trees and bits and pieces growing out of it, and ivy and all sorts. And we'll see what happens when we come back in 6 weeks or so's time.
Yeah, because that ivy is destroying walls.
Yeah, it blows the walls out.
Yeah,
which is what's happened here.
Yeah, yeah.
It's got behind and popped the walls, so we need to.
Yeah,
we
he
need to
just
fix
grow between stones. And what you, Romeo, finds there now? Yeah, we decide to don't cut grass. Yeah, it's not too. It's kind of getting long.
We've only got a strimmer. Next visit we'll be coming back with a lawnmower. But yeah, so that we decided it's just too short to cut with a strimmer. So we'll be coming back again. It's going to be grown again by about a foot. So hard work for me first when we do it.
And we did some ivy cutting here.
Well, Juliet did, bless her.
Still need, how is called these green ones?
It's up here, the moss.
Yeah, moss need to clean that moss off.
Put some more salt down, or Juliet has. Again, try and see if it kills the ivy.
It's slowly, yeah. We'll
it's a slow
see.
process. We'll get there, but it's hard going.
Yeah.
Our little pigsties. In the meantime, I found the drainage system didn't work in well, stones in the way and a tree, and then it goes off into a pipe the other way. So
Just blocking.
I sort of helped unblock that.
Yeah, if you see all this cutting from ivy, it's big. Yeah, everything there. Going to barn.
So we've had, last day and a half, we've had a lot of rain, so we decided time to tidy up the barns and the outbuildings a bit. So Julieta, bless her cotton socks, has been sweeping and clearing up like mad in here.
Yeah, very dusty.
Yeah, lots of dust, lots of rubbish. I've taken bits and pieces away downstairs to the tip, to the bins, to the recycle centres. But as you can see, on a previous video, the floor was littered with rubbish. Admittedly, we've still got quite a bit at the end there, but that's something we're going to work through in the end to get there. We've had the electricians coming in as well while we've been here. We've managed to put some lights up in here and downstairs, and also a splitter box, which is just here, if we ever want to swim or whatever.
Yeah, this is our relax area where we're cooking.
Yeah, that's it. We've cleared this door, opened this door in. This beast here is an old fridge unit which was lead lined. Which was in a little bit outbuilding it outside, which we'll show you shortly. Managed to drag the whole thing in here. Took some months and grumph.
Yeah, you're
and some manpower to shove it through.
Superman, yeah.
It took some while.
Yeah, all this rubbish, what is just rubbish, probably goes downstairs or.
Yeah, all the tips.
And that is wood, but we can burn, yeah.
There'll be bits and pieces where we use for here. But
and then we can do big parties here.
And then we can have a huge party here. Aiming for Juliet's 60th next year. Allegedly.
Simon, we'll speak with you later.
Oops.
Yeah, oh, you forgot, I paint them once.
Oh, paint cooks, paint the chairs and the tables.
I paint them. We discover everything in barn, yeah?
Yeah, this is all barn finds at the moment.
Yeah. So clean carpets, this soft furniture. Then we bought in Brocante.
Some bits and pieces and Ganesh.
Yeah, then we find here like old radio, but we need to
see if that works, wire that up. Another little job.
Ganesha will go back to England.
At the moment we're using this as a sort of a clothesline. It does the job while it's raining, it solves the problem, but this was full of rubbish as well, which we've cleared out, swept up, took away. So it's given us a nice big open space now. The electrician has been in here, we've got lights and sockets. The plan is, at some point in life, we are going to come through this wall here and make it a lounge. With open windows going that way. So it needed to be clear and it needs to be looked at, and we need to treat the wood next, but we get there, it's jobs.
You have here door.
Yeah, that was the door we dragged things through.
Yeah, and in this place you want to have door.
Yeah, that's
house.
it. We found a recess on the other side, which helps go, because the walls are about 1 metre thick, so it comes through, so we're gonna come through here. To open up into this space here, which will be glazed doors all the way along. That's the plan.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
So coming in house, it's still of course we don't have
it's
light
a bit of a
here.
mess, and there's no lighting in here yet. The electrician's got to come back and finish just down here, but he's been here on and off for the last 2 weeks with us, isn't he, roughly?
And generally he starts in February?
He started doing the upstairs in February, yeah.
Yeah, slowly,
On and off, yeah.
Yeah.
He doesn't. Great electrician, can't fault him really.
Yeah.
But
busy one.
busy.
So here it goes to septic
Yeah,
tanks.
the waste is from upstairs. It comes down, as you see down here. Goes through that wall. Had to carve out 1 metre of rocks and bricks to get through that wall there. And the water comes down here. As you can see, the electrician wires on the floor everywhere. But
So we restored this bit as
yeah,
well.
we've been cleaning this up. We've got a sideboard, lovely little sideboard we can use for now. Not our taste, but it works.
Yeah.
Again, that was found in the barn, so it's all been cleaned up.
And table
treated.
as well.
And table as well. So it's all been treated with woodworm as well. Everything that's wood coming in and out of the building's being treated with woodworm, because you just don't know.
So in future we will having kitchen area and here.
Underneath there, yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, like lounge probably.
Yeah.
Some soft sitting
There'd
area
be a false
here.
wall at the back there, just to hide all the pipes and everything that's coming out from upstairs and electrics.
Yeah. Ah, and here you can see that door.
That's the recessed.
Yeah.
So that helps going through next door. As I said, these walls are so thick. So that would be helpful. That's going to be our entrance to the next door.
Then we probably need to fill this
Yeah,
gaps
well,
as well, of course.
Lots of points to go on.
Yeah. Electrician, yeah.
Oh, it's a web.
Yeah.
So as far as upstairs, not a great deal's changed from our previous videos upstairs. I mean, what we have done is obviously cleaned and what have you. We've got the water there now, which is a bonus.
And hot water as well.
And hot water now, that's all up and running and plumbed in, the waste is plumbed in. We did find a leak behind the walls, which I've had to rip out and redo and reseal and put it all back again, which is, you know, it's part of the parcel of having this house. But that's generally all we've done upstairs, really, because it was pretty habitable anyway. It needs decorating and what have you. And the loft, we started spraying
Wood treatment.
and we run out, so we need to bring some more back. But yeah, it's just an ongoing project. The front door there, we've decided we're going to save. We've treated that several times. It's just haven't had time really to tackle that beast.
And we're lucky boiler work. And the electrician there, and he...
Yeah, we were lucky. We had a balloon upstairs, a water tank. And the electrician tested it to see if it was all right, and it all worked. So I plumbed it in, he electrified it, and job done.
One other thing that you done, you cleaned this one.
Oh yeah, because we were sitting in a little retrial area watching the rain one night. As I said, we had rain for the last couple of days, and this gutter, well, it wasn't working. It was coming straight over like a waterfall, the whole length.
Yeah.
So I've climbed up, and it's just full of, I don't know how many years of bits and pieces of moss. So we've cleared that out. It now runs our way really well down here into the floor. But I have given myself another job to find out that, as we said earlier on, it needs to drain away over there.
Yeah, that's it. And tomorrow we're traveling back to England.
Back to the UK, yeah.
And
With Romeo.
yeah, Romeo, are you gonna go back to home?
Yeah.
Are you? Are you staying here? You've been eating now, yeah? Are you happy? We just went to vet as well today, had his worm treatment.
Yeah, tapeworm treatment, so we can go back to the UK.
And we'll see when we come next.
Yeah, we'll update you when we can.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Good morning and evening, Simon locking these doors. Romeo like to run through and then come on stairs up. Don't know if he's gonna do, but yeah, he's loved that. He can't go downstairs because it's very steep for him. You good boy, yeah. You're not gonna go. You're looking very steady. It's so steep and you're just not doing. You scared? You're gonna go? No, it's too steep for you, yeah? No, I just taking video how Romeo runs around, but he never goes downstairs.
No, always up, never down.
Yeah.
Hey, always up, never down. I think you have to run all the way around the big loop, don't you?
Simon cooking again, yeah?
Yes.
Last meal.
Last meal.
Before we're going back to
Not the
England.
barbecue tonight, just the grill.
Yeah, Romeo looks sniffing, yeah. He's sniffing,
He
yeah.
wants it. You want beef?
Asparagus, potatoes, and beef, yeah?
And a bit of cheese.
Yeah, you're waiting. Serving. And we have salads as well. Ah, he's not giving you.
Au revoir, juste pour un instant. Le temps nous garde en mouvement. Nos chemins se croisent encore. À très bientôt, j'en suis d'accord.